Guys, welcome back to the channel. Theta looks really interesting at the moment. Now, to be honest with you, if you did not buy this when price sold off, you missed out on a huge opportunity, a very big opportunity, because as you can see, prices snapped back over 156%. 156% since that drawdown. But of course, to be honest with you, we still see a very big opportunity here, and it looks like price is set to explode. Now, before I get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date on all our recent videos. And remember, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice, so always make sure to do your own research. With that being said, pause the video, click the link in my description, join the Telegram group so you can stay up to date on all our latest updates, news updates, technical updates, and much more. And of course, if you want those juicy entries, exits, and under the radar cryptocurrency gems, then please check out the link in my description and join Crypto Crew Premium today. Now, we've already showed you guys a timeline. We've showed you guys how much price has actually increased since the start of the year, and at its all-time high, almost 1,000%, which was absolutely historical. Now, when we saw that pullback, obviously this is to be expected with or without the market downturn that we saw obviously in May, but to be honest with you, that should have been an opportunity to buy more, right? That should have been an opportunity to buy more and stock up on this cryptocurrency gem, because we believe that we still have a long way to go. Now, brief overview, we're currently at $9.49 at the moment, up 6%, but let's just call it 7% for the day. Circulating supply at 1 billion. Market cap at 9.4 billion. This has been definitely a juggernaut this year. I mean, if you entered this from the start of the year, congratulations. You should pat yourself on the back. And one thing I can say is that this is a beautiful long-term project, right? You know, that goes without saying. The type of people that are behind this project, you know, this is going to do absolutely big things. You know, they've got advisors such as people from, you know, YouTube, etc. I mean, this is going to be huge. Now, what's actually happening at the moment? Prices are pretty much trapped within a range. We're in a consolidating zone at the moment. So what we saw obviously was a price sell off at this area. Obviously did break through, went as low as $3.60, snapped right back into this range, and as you can see, it's slowly been making its way to the upsides from this area. So right, even if we look at an entry at this price, and let's say we look for our buy up to all-time high, that's 71%. So this is still huge gains here, right? This is not small gains. And as you can see, the price of which that we are at now is actually essentially a support area. So we're at another key support area, and this is where, again, this is what separates the boys from the men in scenarios like this, because whilst others get excited about the opportunity of with such a cheap price, and take advantage of it like we did, and you know, up significantly, or people that shy away, end up selling their position short, or literally sitting on their hands and doing absolutely nothing at all, right? But nevertheless, we are at a support area, and I guess this could be a good day trade back up to $16. But I do see us smashing right through this area as soon as we get the overall bullish momentum on Bitcoin and Bitcoin, etc. Then we are going to see this resistance level completely smashed. But even without Bitcoin moving to the upside, as you can see, we're already making that move, and at 71% gain back up to all-time highs is still a pretty good return. Now, in regards to fundamental data, I don't see anything of that much significance at the moment, and even then, I don't believe that is going to be a major factor in actual the price action of Theta anytime soon. I believe the major price action that we want to see, obviously, would be a listing on Coinbase, right? That is going to be what will, you know, completely send this to the moon, you know, parabolically. And that's why I believe we still have a long way to go, because we're still not on, those major exchanges such as Coinbase. Obviously we're on Binance, etc., but we want to get on Coinbase. That's the update that we want to see next. Will we see that next? I do believe we are going to see that this year. Sorry, wrong coin. I do believe we are going to see that this year. So we're keeping a close eye on that, and we're well positioned. At the end of the day, we're likely going to take advantage of the overall growth of Theta. So anyway, guys, I'm not going to drag this on for too long. Long story short, we are super bullish and see a nice buying opportunity on this cryptocurrency. And as you can see, even if we go on the 4-hour time frame, this is buying patterns. This is buying pattern, guys. We go back on the daily, we can see a morning star formation formed on obviously the support area, and now as you can see, we're making our way back to the upside. We've also got our double bottom patterns as well. Yep, that's an indication that I also need to charge up. But anyway, guys, this is looking really good from a buying perspective. And again, if you haven't yet got your position on this, do start looking at potential positions, because this looks really juicy. But anyway, guys, we'll leave it there for now. Just had to update on that. Theta is going to the moon. With that being said, guys, remember, when others are fearful, be greedy, and when others are greedy, be fearful. With that being said, seize the day.